the Bronco Sport haul out the 1 ton. A loaded 1 ton. We'll see.
This is great. This is paradigm envelope pushing.
Yeah, they don't,
because you don't think of a Bronco doing the job, it just did.
They don't do that. Yeah, that's what it is.
Wonderful job of giving instructions.
Yeah, thanks. You'd almost think I did it for 36
Good job
years.
following instructions.
Now, will this come off? Oh yeah. No, it took a bit of chewing, but she come right up and out. Oh, for fuck. Success. Oh, Bronco Sport, look at you go. That thing is not light. Full dry 1 ton, loaded with sand, plow on it, 9-foot plow.